Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can bind your RoyalQ account to your Binance account. For those of you that don't know what RoyalQ is or what Binance is, RoyalQ is an artificial intelligence robot that trades spot for you on apps like on websites or exchanges like Binance and Hobby. While Binance is the top international centralized exchange in the world today, where you can trade several cryptocurrency. Okay, so if you've been wondering how you can bind your account to your Binance so that you can activate your account, that's after registering, and you want after registering and maybe you've activated your RoyalQ account, but you don't know how you can bind it to your wallet, that's your wallet, and start trading. So you're lucky, because I'll be showing you guys how to do that step by step in this video. So make sure you stay with me to the end of this video so that you don't miss out on any step that's important. But before that, this is Crypto Airdropper. I make videos about cryptocurrency. So if you're a new member and you want to show some support, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon beside it to turn on notification. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Okay, so make sure you subscribe so that if you won't miss out on any information about cryptocurrency and how you can make money from it. And I believe if you love money and you want to keep getting updates on how you can use cryptocurrency to make more money, you will subscribe to my channel. Okay, and make sure you also join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description of all my videos. I also drop updates there, so you can just join my Telegram channel to stay updated. Okay, so without any further ado, we'll be getting into it. So to do this, you need to open up your Binance account first. To get started, you need to open up your Binance. For those of you that don't have a Binance account, there's a link in the description of this video which you can use to register on Binance. Once you register and you complete verification, you're all set. So to bind your account, you need to go to where it says more. You click on it, then scroll down to where it says API management. Okay, you look for it, say API management. So this is it. On the orders, you click on it. So open up another page. The page will look like this. Okay, so this is it. To get started, you need to create a new API. So once you're here, click on the label API key to proceed, and you select a name. Well, that's what your API will be named. Let's say I want mine to be Crypto Airdropper RoyalQ. Okay, Crypto Airdropper RoyalQ. Okay, then I'll need to click on create API to continue. So once you do that, they'll ask you to do a security verification. After that, the API will be created. Once you complete security verification, it will be, the API will open and it will look something like this. Okay, so this is the API and this is what it will look like. So this is just an example. Okay, this is just an example. So before you continue, before you proceed, what you need to do is you click on where it says edit. Once you click on where it says edit, then you go to where it says enable spot and margin. You click on that, you take it. Okay, so make sure it's only these two that are on. Okay, make sure it's only these two, no one else. Okay, just these two. I repeat, make sure it's only these two that are ticked. Okay, everything else should be left unticked. Okay, that's everything else apart from enable reading and enable spot and margin trading. Everything else should be left unticked. Then the next thing, what you need to do next is you go to where it says unrestricted and restricted assets. Then you click on this. Okay, then you click on this. Okay, once you click on restricted access to trusted APIs only, once you've done all this, then you click on save. Okay, once you click on save, so it will save this. Okay, Sorry, I've not filled this out. So for now, let's just leave this for now. Okay, then we'll save. Okay, so okay, so sorry, just bear with me. Okay, so once you get here, you need to click this. You click this and you go to then you need to go to your RoyalQ. You go back to RoyalQ. Once you open RoyalQ, then you go to where it says API binding. Okay, click on API binding. Then as you can see, my Binance is already bound, but yours might not be bound. So you click on Binance. So once you click on Binance on your own, this where it says API key will be empty and your secret key too will be blank. Okay, what you now need to do is you first need to copy this API group binding. You copy it. Once you copy it, then you go back to your RoyalQ. To the Binance, to Binance API management. So that's the API you created. Then you paste it here. Okay, that's the API, the IPs, the IP addresses you copied. You paste it here. Once you paste it here, you click on confirm. Okay, then you come over here. You copy your API key. You go over back to the place and you paste it here. That's your API key. Okay, then you also copy your secret key. Which will look something like this. This is mine. This is just for illustration purposes. Then you go back again to the RoyalQ app and you paste it where it says secret key and you click on tie. Okay, once you do that, it will bind your Binance account to your RoyalQ account successfully, and that's how you do that. Okay, so once you've done that, all you have to do is you come out here, okay, and you click on save. That's after you've pasted the IPs here. You come over here and click on save. Okay, so once you do that, it will ask you to confirm using a security verification. Once that's done, your Binance has been bounded to your RoyalQ account successfully. Okay, and you'll be able to start placing trades and making money, sweet money, using the RoyalQ bots. Okay, so it's that easy, and I think that's all I have for you guys today. If you got content, if you got value from this content, make sure you hit that like button. And if you want to continue getting videos on how to make money online because you love money and you want to keep making more money, make sure you subscribe to my channel right now if you've not subscribed yet, and share this with your friends and family because you can never tell who might need this video. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And as a reminder, if you want to learn more about RoyalQ, you can check out the playlist on my channel named RoyalQ. Okay, I basically have all you need to know about RoyalQ there. Okay, so thanks for watching one more, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.